Headwraps here, and today I would like to show you a couple of variations on how to use Big Softie scarves. This is the black one, which is new, with Ombre lights, which are popular shorter lightweight scarves. I've got here the Winter Skies, which is shades of grey, and I've also got the Charcoal, which is grey to black. So here you go. What we've got our Big Softie, just as if in a normal regal wrap. So I've fitted it to my head, I've crossed it over at the back. You can cross it over or knot it, it's your choice. And we've got two even ends. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my ombre lights, I'm going to fold the ends over slightly to make it more of a broad sash width. So I've folded this over and that over, and because this is a shorter scarf, you can't do what you can with a regular length scarf. So I'm going to pull it, and then I'm going to cross it over under my first scarf, under my Big Softie. And I'm going to try and do this without any knots today. But obviously if you want to knot it, you absolutely can. So you've now got the blacks blending into grey there. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to tuck this up and out of the way because it's too short to do anything with. You could leave it down as a tiny tail feature, but I'm not going to. Then I'm going to wrap one of the Big Softies over, and yep, you are losing some of that ombre, but it doesn't matter because we're going to put it back again in a minute. And then we're going to take the other one and bring it back over. Now I probably should have done this with scarves that didn't blend in quite so much, but I am enjoying all the black at the moment. So then we're just going to tuck that in like that, bring that back over, tuck it in. And if there isn't quite enough length, then you can tuck it just under the back rather than there. But then there you go, that is a simple 2-scarf wrap using ombre lights as a sash. So there you go. Let's take this off and let's find some. I'm not used to unwrapping scarves on my head. Normally when I take my wrap off, I literally just pull the whole thing off. But I'm going to keep the shaper on because obviously I'm going to do other wraps. So let's pull this one off. The next one I want to show you is, again, another variation of sash. And actually I'm going to take this colour off. What colour am I going to choose? This one. I'm going to put this grey one on. And again, because the ombre lights are smaller, I would probably not use them as the first scarf I put on. So make it even ends. And this time what I'm going to do, I'm going to use it as a sash on the top. So again, basic regal wrap. Basically everything I do is a regal wrap. I'm either a regal wrap or a beginner's luck girl, and that's how I go. I very rarely do anything else. But I find with accessories and with sashes, it's really, really versatile. So that's fine. And yeah, again, I'm gonna use one that tones the same because it's just going to be a really subtle. Shall I go subtle or shall I go? Let's try it with the dark. Let's try it with the dark. I think I should be using the other one, but anyway. So this time I'm going to put it around the back of my neck, and I'm going to bring it up, and I'm going to have it on the side. So I'm going to tie a knot. I've got even ends, but I'm going to tilt it so I've got the knot on the side, and I'm going to tie a knot like this. Now at this point we're going to want to spread it out how you want it. I'm going to have it quite broad on that side, and obviously with the nice thing about these being ombre, you can pull it around to work out where you want each colour to be. And then I'm going to twist. I'm going to twist it around so you end up with this lovely striping, and then bring it around and then just tuck it in wherever it finishes. And then this one, it's naturally coming out there. I'm going to bring it over. I'm going to again twist it, bring it over the top. And there you go, you've got the contrast of the grey detail and then a bit of black as well. And there you go. Number 3, and I'm going to keep this scarf on. I'm going to do a bow. I'm not big on bows, but some people make them look awesome, so I'm going to give it a go. Choose which side you want your bow to go, and then choose, yeah, I think I'm going to have the black here with the darker grey fading to there, but what I'm going to do, I'm going to fold it in so I haven't got as much of the black showing. Right. And again, you want the ends to be even. And this time you're going to want to knot it right down the bottom here. So again, at this point, smooth it over. Check you're happy with the way it's lying. Obviously you can fold it right smaller if you want it smaller, and then you are just going to tie a bow like a regular bow like that, and then you can fan out these ends like that. There you go. So that's 3 different ways to use the ombre lights with our Big Softie scarves. I hope you enjoy and look forward to seeing some of what you come up with. Thank you. Bye.